in silence, smoke still in the sky. Walls that once held laughter fell without goodbye. Hands that shaped the future, broken by the night. But somewhere in the darkness still burned a fragile light. They try to take the living, they try to take the dream, but hope is stronger, growing in places torn apart at the seam. From the ashes bread will rise, through the tears in wounded eyes. Even when the world turns away, love keeps needing hope from clay. Though their bodies carry scars, they still reach beyond the stars. What was shattered they remake every dawn, for mercy's sake. Missiles took the doorway, silence took the street. Limbs were lost to violence, still they would not retreat. With what strength remained, they gathered piece by piece, turning dust to flower, turning grief to peace. No fire can erase them, no night can end their song. Where courage stands together, the human heart stays strong. From the ashes bread will rise, through the tears in wounded eyes. Even when the world turns away, love keeps needing hope from clay. Though their bodies carry scars, they still reach beyond the stars. What was shattered they remake every dawn, for mercy's sake. And the children smell the sweetness of tomorrow in the air. Not a victory of power, just a family's quiet prayer. If the world would only listen, if the world would only see, pieces built in small beginnings, like bread shared freely. From the ashes